again, welcome to this channel. I want to show you how to reset your password in case you forget your password and you can't log in again. Right now, this particular password, I can't remember what I used to do it, so I just want to reset it. So how to reset this is very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my pointer to this point, and then I'm going to press shift to shut it down. So you press shift. When you press shift here, this shift, and then you click here, and then you go to restart. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to click on that. Then while you do that, you wait for it to boot on. You see that it has bring us to this point. So this is where we now continue the. You go to troubleshoot, and then you can then go to reset this PC. You go to reset this PC. When you get to reset this PC, now you see that it shows you keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, while the other one talks about remove everything. So I'm just going, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on remove everything. So the system is going down, so it's going to take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes to have your system reset, and it's just going to on like that, and it's coming back, it's coming up again. So we're just gonna wait for it for some moments. Just wait a little bit more. You can see reset this PC, getting things ready. It's getting things ready. It's ready. So we are going to click on only the drive where Windows is installed. So, and then the next thing is you look at fully clean the drive and then just remove my file. So it's safe. You just click on just remove my files, and it's going to get things ready. And after that, and ensure that you are well connected. Ensure you are well connected. Your socket, the laptop is well connected to the electricity. Alright, so let's wait for it a moment. It's going to come up now. So you see this, and it brings option all the personal files and user account on this PC, any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, any changes made to these settings. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on reset. So the moment you click on that, you notice it's writing, it's going on resetting, and this is going to 100%. So you're just going to have to wait for it for quite a moment. It's now in 8%, so it's going to go to 100%. So the moment it gets to 100%, it resets your password straight away, and that is that. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, and this is King's Bread TV.